Okay, this is a condition video of the 2003 Mazda Protege5 Manual, ABS, and cruise control wiring harness. So I'll start from the interior cabin, go all the way outside to the engine bay. This is your fuel sending unit and reverse lamps, e-brake cable. This is to show you that there's no broken tabs or connectors. These are interior dash connectors. This is for the cruise control module on the right side. Main ECU wiring harness connector. And we go outside to the engine bay on the right side. ABS, cruise control. These are map sensor connectors. This is on the left side, main ground, diagnostic, ABS. The main ABS module connector. Fuse box that's not burnt, those are electric grease. Fuse box, ground for the fuse box. MAP sensor, intake temp sensor, EGR sensor, throttle body, sensors around the throttle body, fuel pressure, coolant temp. This is manual transmission sensor, oxygen sensors, injectors, coil packs, VTCS and VIX, knock sensor, cam sensor and crank sensor, power steering and AC.